Greetings guys, you're welcome back to Ukoma Kitchen TV. Today's video is on pineapple fritters, so let's introduce our ingredients. Here we have egg, vanilla flavor, sugar, milk, flour, baking powder, salt, water, and pineapple. So here are the ingredients for the pineapple fritters we are making. Firstly, you start by cutting off the heads of the pineapple, then you peel it and then slice it into circles. After slicing it, you use a round object to remove the ring in the middle of the pineapple. I am using this toothpick container to remove the ring from my pineapple. The pineapple rings are actually so nice. I eat it, I do not throw it away. Next is mixing our batter for the pineapple fritters. And the first thing here is our flour, dry ingredients first. Then we're adding baking powder, pinch of salt, sugar, like 2 teaspoons of sugar is enough. Then mix the dry ingredient together before adding your wet ingredients, starting from milk, give it a stir, and then add a little water and stir. You can now add your vanilla flavor and stir. Then also break in 1 egg and stir all together. Your oil for frying should be on fire. Then pass your pineapple through the batter and fry it on a medium hot oil. Then you can flip to each other side. Once it's golden brown, you can now drain it in a sieve and repeat the process with the remaining pineapple. Then your pineapple fritters is ready to be served. Please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you can do that now by clicking on the subscribe button, then notification button to get notified whenever we post new video. So when this is well fried and golden brown, allow it to rest on the sieve for some minutes till the oil is drained off. Then you can now serve. You can see how nice looking this pineapple fritters is. Now I'm gonna test mine with some drop of syrup. Wow, this tastes so nice and so sweet. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you.